Hi. Hello, Charles Angels. How are you doing today? Today, we're going to check out my Louis Vuitton pickup last time from Louis Vuitton Costa Mesa. This is the one that I got with my friend Raquel. And then this one is a repair that I asked them to do for me. And then they deliver, and we'll check this out. And then you will be able to inspect it yourself. Look at that. She already really hooked me up with this one more time as always. And then so this is a pulled up drawer, and then she gave me a really nice dust bag. And then on this one we have the cigarette case. So this one, if you will remember that my problem with this one, I got this one really nice, really cheap, like under $100 from J-Ports. And then I went to Myra, my client advisor at the Louis Vuitton Costa Mesa. And then I wanted her to reglaze this, and look at it now. So it's really nice. Now it's really nice all over the place. It's really the glazing are all good. Look at that. So this one is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then the code on this one, this is CT0996. It's on this side. So this one is 96. So this one I'm going to probably use this one. This one will not gonna fit. I'm not a cigarette smoker, but I'm going to use this one to put some pens or something like that. Or I can put some cards. You can put some cards on this one. So let's do a quick what's fit on this one anyway. So let's do that at the same time. So this is a cigarette holder that you're going to be able to put and snap it like that. So let's see what will fit on this one. So, question of the day: how many cards do you think that this cigarette card case will fit? So I want to hear your comments below, and let me know how many cards, the maximum cards that it will fit on this tiny one. One is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 credit cards. No, it's not really credit cards. Don't think that I have a lot of credit cards. I only have 2. But anyways, 14 gift cards. Actually, it's gift cards from Starbucks, from movie theater, from restaurants. Let's see if that one will fit on here, and then let's see if how good it's gonna be. So it's snug for sure, but it fits the whole 14. So yeah, and then it's not tight. I think you could, the max, let's see what maximum this one can fit. Because if I close this already right now, it's already it's not tight still. And then as you can see, you can still fit some more. So we're going to see what's the capacity of this one, if you're going to find one or you're able to avail one on a vintage stores. So let's check it out. I do have more cards here. This one are old cards that I have. So let's see what's the max. We already have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see 20, if that one will fit. And then oh yeah, it's maxed out on 20. That's it. We can still, let's see if we can still close this. And we're able to still close it. And then there you go. And then as you can see, it's already maxed out on here. This is the bottom part of it that you can really see the card. So this is really nice. So there you go. I have an instant card case. So this is cigarette etu monogram canvas cigarette case that I bought. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. I love you, Charles Angels. Bye.